Welcome to our video lecture about simple calculus for foundation physics. In this e-learning models, we would like to talk about a graphical description of motion, differentiation and integration, and finally, we would like to talk about some application on differentiation and integration. So, first of all, we would like to recall your memory about some DSE physics. First, the terms called displacement, it means the shortest distance between 2 points and its direction is points from the initial to the final position. That means if an object here, it is the initial position and final position is here. Initial and final position. The direction is start from initial position to the final one. So this vector means the displacement of this object. Second, velocities means the change in displacement or displacement travel in a very short period of time. That means if an object moves from this position to that position within time t, its velocity is equal to s over t. Finally, acceleration, it means the velocity change in a very short period of time. That means acceleration is equal to change in velocity over time. For describing the change of velocity or change in time, we have to add a delta before the symbol. That means it is the initial one, it is the final one, and it is the initial and final time minus initial time. So after defining some symbol of this physical quantity, we want to describe the motion by this kind of physical quantities on graphs. First, we would like to introduce several cases. For the first case, it's want to describe an object in stationary. That means for the first second, for the time is equal to 0, the position is here, and time equal to the first second, its position haven't changed anymore. So we can say for the displacement time graph, for the 0 second, it's at the origin, and the first second is 0 displacement, and the second is in the 0 position too. Therefore, its velocity is equal to 0 to is similar case of acceleration. Therefore, for an object is in stationary, is VT graph, and AT graph are also like this. For the second case, if an object here is in uniform velocity, at time equal to 0, it's at position A, and then after 1 second, the object moves from position A to 1 meter more, and hence its velocity is equal to 1 meter divided by 1, therefore it's 1 meter per second. For the second, the object moves 1 meter more. So the total displacement is 2 meters, and its velocity is equal to 1 meter per 1 second 2. So the velocity is 1 meter per second 2. So for the displacement, for the 0 second is at origin, and then for the first second it displaces 1 meter, and hence we can draw a straight line here. For the velocity, the object at the first second 1 meter per second, and for the second is 1 meter per second too. So we can draw a straight line like this. For that case, the acceleration of the object is 0. It's because the object have no velocity change anymore. Therefore, we can draw the line like this. And for the third case, an object under uniform acceleration for the time equal to 0, an object is at position A for the time equal to 1, an object move 1 meter, travel 1 meter, and for the second, an object move 2 meter. Therefore, at the first second, the velocity is equal to 1 meter per second, and the second, the velocity is 2 divided by 1. Therefore, it is 2 meter per second. Therefore, we can see the velocity is a linear curve like this. However, the displacement is like this. For the time equal to 0, it's at origin, and then for the first second, the object move at 1 meter, and also the second we can see an object move to 3. Therefore, we can see a curve like this. The acceleration here, we can see A is equal to initial final velocity minus initial velocity over final time minus initial time. Therefore, it's equal to 2 minus 0 and 2 minus 0. Therefore, the acceleration is equal to 1 meter per second square. After this introduction video, I think you can handle the assignment on e-learning platform. That's all for this video. Thank you.